Claressa Shields is an American professional boxer and professional mixed martial artist. Shields was born and raised in Flint, Michigan, where she was a high school junior in May 2012. She was introduced to boxing by her father, Bo Shields, who had boxed in underground leagues. Bo was in prison from the time Shields was 2 to 9 years old. After his release, he talked to her about boxer Laila Ali, piquing her interest in the sport. In 2018, the Boxing Writers Association of America named her the Female Fighter of the Year. Shields is also a professional mixed martial artist competing in the Professional Fighters League. She has held multiple world championships in 5 weight classes, including the undisputed female light middleweight title in March 2021, the undisputed female middleweight title twice between 2019 and 2024. The World Boxing Organization WBO female light heavyweight title and the World Boxing Council WBC and World Boxing Federation WBF female heavyweight titles since July 2024. WBC and IBF female super middleweight titles from 2017 to 2018. Shields currently holds the record for becoming a 2 and 3 division world champion in the fewest professional fights. In a decorated amateur career, Shields won gold medals in the women's middleweight division at the 2012 and 2016 Olympics, making her the first American boxer to win consecutive Olympic medals. Shields was the youngest boxer at the February 2012 US Olympic trials, winning the event in the 165-pound 75 kg middleweight division. In May, she qualified for the 2012 Games, the first year in which women's boxing was an Olympic event, and went on to become the first American woman to win an Olympic gold medal in boxing. On January 12, 2018, Shields retained her WBC and IBF female super middleweight titles and won the WBAN super middleweight title by defeating 17-0 Tori Nelson. It was Shields' first time going all 10 rounds in her professional career. In November 2020, Shields had signed a 3-year contract with Professional Fighters League and was expected to make her mixed martial arts debut in 2021. In August 2023, it was announced that Shields had re-signed a multi-year contract with Professional Fighters League to continue competing in mixed martial arts. Shields faced Kelsey DeSantis on February 24, 2024 at PFL vs. Bellator. She was unable to make the appropriate weight for her fight with DeSantis, forcing her opponent to fight up 2 weight classes, with the bout taking place at 165 pounds. Shields won the bout via split decision. In November 2020, Shields had signed a 3-year contract with Professional Fighters League and was expected to make her mixed martial arts debut in 2021. On March 5, 2021, Shields defeated Mary F. Dicker by unanimous decision to retain her WBC and WBO super welterweight titles, claim IBF 154-pound belt and vacant WBA light middleweight strap. With the win, she became the first boxer in the 4-belt era to hold undisputed titles in 2 weight classes and the first female boxer to be an undisputed champion in 2 weight classes.